Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we are in Roque del Conde. We're in a complex called Terrazas del Conde, and we're in phase 1. We're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. It's a duplex, so it's got upstairs, downstairs, 2 massive terraces, absolutely fantastic views, and a parking space as well. Let's have a look around. So we've just come in through the main door here, and as we open the door, that's what we get the view of there. And on the right hand side, we've got a visitor's bathroom, and on the left hand side, we've got a massive fully fitted kitchen. We'll look at that in a sec. So we've got this bathroom here, so you've got loo, hand basin and shower, which is ideal for visitors. The storage cupboard here with the water heater in it as well. Now let's look at this kitchen. There's a fully fitted kitchen, everything that you need in here, the dishwasher, oven, hob, and the washing machine at the end. Now that door there, that goes out onto a terrace where you can dry some washing. So that's one of the benefits about being on the end of the road. Now being a duplex, you've got some stairs, go up there, we'll go up there in a second. So here's the lounge. Plenty of room here, really nice and bright with those 2 doors there as well, both leading out onto the terrace. Now as far as I'm aware, all of this furniture will stay. I'm sure they'll take their computer. But a really nice space here. And nice and bright with these white tiles as well, just gives off an extra bit of light as well. Got air conditioning in this room. There's the air conditioning unit up there, and another double bedroom here, which has loads of wardrobe space and also ensuite. So you've got a loo, hand basin, a good size shower in there as well. Let's have a look around. That's nice. So back out into this bedroom here. Into the lounge, and then we'll go upstairs and straight up into what you probably call the master, being upstairs. Another lovely sized room, plenty of storage there, and again ensuite toilet, bathroom, shower and bath as well. Again, these white tiles, it just gives off a nice bit of brightness. Now out of this one, we've got a jacuzzi up here, massive terrace. And of course these are absolutely fantastic views. You can even see Mount Tady up there today. Just about to see it through there. Great view down there of La Gomera. You can see all the boats out on the water. You can even see the paragliders, parascinders coming off the mountains over here from Taucha, and then they're flying all the way down there into Playa Fania Bay, just along there, landing towards La Caleta. What a great space up here though. So back into this bedroom up here, and then down the stairs. We'll have a look at the terrace outside on this level. So again, fabulous space outside here. You've got a table for 4 there. Obviously the same awesome views. And then we've got a nice little area here where maybe you've had breakfast. And these doors here go through to the bedroom. on this level. So the garage space comes with this one as well. So basically, all you do, drive up there, parking area, and you've got a parking space in here with storage as well. So that's our 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom duplex in Terrazas del Conde with those 2 massive terraces, the extra little bit outside for drying your washing, fully fitted kitchen, 2 ensuite bathrooms as well, and those fantastic views. The sunsets you're going to get from here are going to be absolutely awesome. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonSG@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.